we are going to install Comfy UI with the press manner because there might be some change in the step. So for that reason, we are uninstalling or deleting all the files of Comfy UI and reinstalling everything from the scratch so that you might not get confused, because as the technology shift, we also have to update ourselves. So first let's understand how to install Comfy UI in a perfect manner. So first we have to prepare some file to install that. For that we have to go to, so here are the two links. So first we have to install Git. If you have not installed the Git version, you have to install it. Download for Windows, you have to install it. You have to download the Git version here. So you have to install Git 64 version. I will provide this link in the resources so you can find it easily. Simply click this. After that you have to install this. Simply double click it, install it. So you have to go to your Comfy UI GitHub page, that is Comfy UI/desktop. So Comfy UI has launched its client, so you don't have to install this environment anymore. So you have to download Windows, NVIDIA NNS and SIS, or if you have Mac OS, you can download this one. You have to click on download button. Once you click on download, download will start automatically. Let's wait for some time. It is about 108 MB of files. Wait for 3 to 4 1 second. And now click on install. Let's open it. Let's open Comfy UI. So here is our Comfy UI. We have already installed this kit and now we are going to install Comfy UI. So let's double click it. So now Comfy UI window is pop up and it's like very colorful. Let's get started. Now we have to select NVIDIA because I'm using an NVIDIA graphic card. Then I'm using NVIDIA CUDA device. And if you are using CPU and if you don't have NVIDIA, you have to select CPU mode. So let's next install it in the C app menu. Let's install it somewhere else. Let's install it in new folder, that is new Comfy UI. Let's install it here. Select folder and install it there. App roaming, app data program, Comfy UI electron source. So here is the system location Comfy UI going to use. You will C drive. Press next. Migrate from existing installation. If you have existing installation, we can copy your existing file. So let's not copy any of the files. Let's keep it next because we have already deleted the files. Update automatically. Uses matrix. Yes, we need to see what uses matrix is. Mirror setting. Yes, Python install Mirror. So let's make it install, and it will take so much time and your internet connection. It's going to be installed many bigger files for you, so it will take some time. So you also have Python version 3.10 or latest. You simply have to go to Python download and download Python. This link I will provide in the resource section, so don't worry about that. Install now.